Hello and welcome to a new Ring My Stylist tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to set deposits and cancellation fees. A critical step toward reducing the no-show and cancellations is asking for a deposit. On the menu, tap Payment Information, and follow the steps to set up Stripe. Stripe is the #1 payment processor on the market, and has a straightforward step-by-step setup process. Be prepared with your bank account number, routing number, or debit card. Payouts will be sent daily to the bank account or debit card. After you have activated Stripe, tap Deposits and Cancellation Fees. Deposits can be a % of the total appointment cost, or a fixed amount. Deposit payment is collected when the clients schedule the appointment, or when they confirm appointments scheduled by you. Optional, you can set the cancellation and no-show fees. The process is similar to deposits. You will turn it on, select a safe window, and then the fees. If the client cancels in that window, the client will have to pay the cancellation fee. If they don't show up, you can cancel the appointment and choose no-show to collect the no-show fees. Keep in mind that if you cancel the appointment, for personal reasons, it is up to you to return, or not, the deposit. Let's have a look now at the Per Client Restriction section. Here are listed all your clients, and you can turn on or off the restrictions for any of them. This functionality comes in handy when you want some of your close clients to skip the deposit and/or cancellation fees. We hope you enjoyed this video.